Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 10th, 2021. Stellar price prediction. XLM crypto crashes 19% just a couple of days ago. Now, here's what to expect next. We're going to talk about where we're looking for the market and Stellar to go. But as always, if today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, make sure before you leave, hit the like button. Instead of being also subscribe to the channel, join our team, join this family, join this community so that you can always be in tune to what the market is anticipated to do so that we all can eat, make bread, profit into the market and capitalize on these price movements. Make sure you all do that if you want to make sure you stay ahead of the game. Take a look at my chart. We already had a price prediction going on into the market in Stellar August the 22nd. We told you that we was looking for the price to go up. We told you that Stellar was anticipated to increase in price. And look, take a look at this. Check this out. We wasn't overly bullish, right? We told you all that the market may find some selling right there around 43, 44 cents. And look right there, exactly on September the 6th. The following day, September the 7th, the market went down massively. So we caught this profitability just in time before the market dipped in Stellar. Did you all capitalize off that? Because the market prediction that we had went all the way from August 22nd to September the 6th. Did you get that? Did you catch that? Because that was profitability of around 18.94% right there. Simple, right? Now, currently, we was looking for the market to really trend right here alongside this line, this ascending line. We was looking for the market to trade alongside it, but we went straight through that line, right? And then we saw the market resume up to higher prices, but it was pretty close in that prediction that we've continued, that we garnered on that video. So I'm gonna get rid of it. 18.94%, maybe a little bit less, but we got it right before the market dipped in Stellar. So now we need to get in position to see, okay, what in the world is going on now? Because what occurred right here on September the 7th, we need to make sure we keep this in mind, because this may be an impending news event based off the chart. Because for us to see this much volume and for us to see this very wide spread in Stellar, it tells us a lot. Something happened into the market in Stellar, and it wasn't no news event. It wasn't something that occurred into the market because we already knew that the weakness was going to come in around 42, 43 cents. But what caused the market to spread so far, to go down so low, 20%, 30% in Stellar? It's because people selling. It was it, plain and simple. Too much stockpile overwhelmed the market in the cryptocurrency space that the market moved down. It's just that simple. Now you can see it. The market has reclaimed some of those losses, some of those movements to the downside. We was able to see the market close towards the middle of the bar. Cool. Now what does it mean? It simply means that there was just enough interest in the market that people was willing to buy the market in Stellar on cheaper prices, that we was able to close towards the middle of the bar. Now following that day, here it is, the 8th, the 9th, and even on the 10th, the price in Stellar is still able to hover right there around 33 cents. All right, so this is the current look into the market in Stellar. So let's do this, because look at this. I'm zooming out the chart right now in Stellar. You guys can see that there's no true direction in the price in Stellar. The market's just being very ragged and rigid right now. We're not in no definitive downtrend. We're not in no definitive uptrend. We're not even really doing anything into the market in Stellar. We're just trading. That is the only thing that's going on into the market in Stellar. We're just trading. And as of this particular moment, we need to try to figure out we can create what is the current environment in Stellar. Are we in a uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? Or are we simply just consolidating? We need to look at the chart to see if we can make that determination. So let me switch this chart over real quick to the 3-day time frame. All right, so what I'm getting into the market in Stellar is we're going to expect this market to give us some consolidational trading, right? We're going to look for this market in Stellar to give us some trading sideways, right? So you guys can see here on the 3-day time frame that we have a couple of days to where the market in Stellar reacted alongside this horizontal line, right? Don't worry about it, I'm gonna show you. And we need to make sure that we placate the next price move alongside this horizontal line. So the market got rejected in Stellar here, okay? We saw the market get rejected once again here on this 3-day price bar, June the 3rd. A lot of price bars got rejected in Stellar around end of May, beginning of June timeframe. We even saw the market here in Stellar hold support on April the 16th, 2021. And look at all of these 3-day price bars right here. Okay, the market in Stellar was just hovering around that particular horizontal line. So this is very important. This horizontal line is going to be a massive impact on what to expect in terms of Stellar's price. Okay, so now we have that created, we got that in mind. Let us move on to the next thing that we need to see. So looking at this on the 3-day time frame, can you see something? One thing that I really want everyone to understand is that once a trend breaks, we need to switch our mind over into thinking, yes, we can still see price go up, or yes, we can still see price go down, because I just drew this ascending line and you can see now that the trend in Stellar was broken. So we cannot fall under the mind state that the price in Stellar is still going to go up. We can't do that. The trend has broken. The last completed 3-day price bar in Stellar tells us that. So why would we try to fall under the same premise that the market in Stellar is still going to go up? No, we broke that. The charts don't lie. Price movement do not lie. So until we see this price in Stellar break back up above this ascending line, the best outcome that we're going to get for the moment is for the market to trade sideways. Yes, that is what I'm looking forward to into the market in Stellar now. Is for the price to trade sideways. Okay. So now we've already pretty much established the bottom back in July, right before this market upward trend started. This is where support is in Stellar, right? Now I do see another area of support. It is right here between 25-26 cents. I can see that. I can even see 30 cents. So there's a couple of midpoint support areas within these two horizontal lines that I've just drawn. So we need to continue to watch the price as time goes on throughout the month of September to see which of these price levels will the market hold in Stellar. Will it be 30 cents? Will it be 25 cents? Will it be 20? One of them will hold the price in Stellar in order for this market to continue to bounce in between these lines. You guys can see it. We came into the trading channel right here, bounced off the support area twice, came up towards 43.45, and now we're coming right back down. So now we need to see if we're going to hold 30 cents, 25 cents, or 20. That's it, plain and simple. Okay, so let me see the chart on the 2-day time frame in Stellar, and currently we're still seeing some weakness in the market in Stellar. So that kind of lets me know that this 30 cent is going to be the first area that I'm going to eye the price in Stellar of going. And once the market, if it does, breaks 30 cents to the downside, my next focus is going to be brought on around 26 to 25. Simple. Okay, so let me go ahead and run the play for you all now of what I'm expecting the price in Stellar to do. First area is 30 cents. Okay, I'm going to bring the restriction area up here towards 40, even though I know that the ultimate restriction area is around 43. Okay, so 30 cents will be the first area that I will come in and try to TP out the market. TP simply means to take profit. I can see that that is a pretty good area of support. We got some history here in the background of this chart that kind of shows us that 30 cents was acting as support and restriction. So we can see that again in the market in Stellar. My next area will be around 26. Okay, so that's about 22% move to the downside and stuff that we can still see. So I'm going to hold it right here. I'm going to show you all that this is the prediction that I'm looking forward to in Stellar. Okay, let me bring these in a little bit closer. These horizontal lines simply show us where we're expecting the market to bounce and move in terms of price movement of support and rejection. That's it. So this is it. Quick video, quick understanding as to what we're looking forward to into the market in Stellar. Since the price has moved down almost 19-20% about 4 days ago, I just want to come in and give y'all another update as to what the chart is looking like now. So it is your turn. Call the markets. Let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do you think the price in Stellar is going to go over the next 2 weeks? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll see you all on the next video.